Businesses in Omaha face a significant increase in cyber threats. The city is home to a dynamic range of industries, from finance and healthcare to manufacturing and retail, all driving economic growth. But with growth comes risk. Did you know that 83% of data breaches exploit weaknesses in IT infrastructure? That means no industry is immune. As Tony Cody, owner and founder of 12 Points Technologies, says, effective cybersecurity is no longer optional. It never was, and the high numbers of crippled businesses show the risk is real. Implementing cybersecurity tools, services, and frameworks is vital to all businesses, large and small. Across Omaha's top industries, managed security services are transforming how businesses defend against cyber threats. For financial institutions, advanced encryption and 24/7 monitoring protect sensitive data while ensuring regulatory compliance. In healthcare, these services secure patient confidentiality with HIPAA-aligned protections, such as real-time threat detection and vulnerability assessments. And for manufacturers, managed security safeguards intellectual property with firewalls, audits, and intrusion prevention systems. Each industry has unique challenges, but the solution is clear. Managed security services provide robust defense while empowering businesses to focus on their goals. Whether it's real estate, education, or retail, no sector can afford to ignore the growing cyber threat landscape. Visit our website to read the full article and learn how Omaha's industries are staying secure and resilient.